what's up, Pedro? We are all very sore this morning, except me. I slept well, actually. Same as last year, they brought us donuts and fruit to balance the donut out. Here's the room for you.
Hi, Pedro!
Hi, Pedro. That's a donut right there. Micah's had like 7. I'm still. Oh, and here we find the feminine half of our youth group. They all look kind of tired. Yep.
Too tired.
It's been a good weekend so far, though.
What's up, Pedro?
Wave to Pedro, Lynn. Thank you. She really doesn't like you that much anymore.
Hi, Pedro. It really is.
Yeah, we're just hanging out. Be at church pretty soon, so.
Yeah, you know. Gotta lay down.
This is for Pedro. These are what we are eating right now.
There's coffee up here if you guys want some.
They were amazing. So, alright, that's all for now. So, I'm gonna go back to bed.